Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 fire weather outlook. We have a critical fire weather risk today that encompasses southeastern Colorado, northeastern New Mexico, the panhandle of Texas, the panhandle of Oklahoma, parts of much of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, far northwestern Arkansas, and southwestern Missouri. Cities in the critical fire weather risk today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Amarillo, Texas, Springfield, Missouri, and Norman, Oklahoma. Starting a little bit sniffly today. And there's an elevated fire weather risk area today that encompasses parts of western and northwestern Texas, far eastern Mexico, southeastern Colorado, southern Kansas, far northern and southeastern Oklahoma, parts of Missouri, and northwest Arkansas for the elevated fire weather risk today. So, in synopsis, the first in a series of mid-level impulses embedded with a broader upward troughing pattern will overspread the Central Plains today, encouraging the surface low to track from the Central Plains toward the Great Lakes region. As this occurs, the combination of dry downslope flow from the southern Rockies and gradient flow driven by the surface low should promote warm, dry, and windy conditions ahead of a southward surging cold front. Excuse me. Across the Texas Panhandle into Oklahoma and Missouri, 20 to 25 mile per hour sustained west-northwesterly winds may coincide with 15% relative humidity for at least a few hours this afternoon. Critical highlights have been maintained since the surface meteorological conditions will overspread dry fuels. Some areas from north-central Texas into Missouri have received appreciable rainfall accumulations over the past week. Nonetheless, finer fuels have more recently experienced dry conditions, potentially increasing their receptiveness to wildfire spread. Farther south across western Texas, surface winds should only peak in the 15 to 20 mile per hour range amid 20% relative humidity, warranting elevated highlights. So, that's your Day 1 fire weather outlook. Remain safe and vigilant in these areas today. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, flashlights, and a battery-powered radio in the event they need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because sometimes fires can start and spread quickly. Not only that, but there are also some fires ongoing. So, yeah. And please avoid outdoor burning. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas today. To try to avert further disaster, since there are already fires ongoing. So, do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, even if they're not lit. Because 1, that's littering. 2, one little spark is all it takes for a fire to start and spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before you throw it away. So, remain vigilant and safe in these areas today, and I will have my Day 2 fire weather outlook this evening. Take care.